So this trick was taught to me by a monk from Newtown. See that?
If the problem can be solved, there is no use worrying about it.
So if you have a swing back mower or topper, if you turn into your right hand side, you can actually steer it through the gateway. So I'm reversing to my right now, and it also works if you're turning forward into your right. Then you can actually see, I can just swing it in, steer it in as I'm going in. So I'm going forward now. As you see, the topper's got near the gateway there, and I can just steer it over. Once I get out, I can steer it back straight again. So if you're going to your right hand side going forward, or going to right hand side going back, you're right. Okay.
Wax on, wax off.